Morning students, in the previous session we have completed question number 2 from practice set 21. Now today we will start with question number 3 from practice set 21, which is the last sum from your practice set 21. Okay, now this is the question number 3. In the isosceles triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are equal. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. The measures of angle ACB and ACD are 3x minus 17 degree and 8x plus 10 degree respectively. Find the measures of angle ACB and ACD. Also find the measures of angle A and angle B. So first we will draw the figure. Yes, figure is not given. So from the information which is given in the question, you will draw the figure. So isosceles triangle ABC. Yes, all of you are knowing the meaning of isosceles triangle. The triangle which is having two sides equal. So first we will draw isosceles triangle ABC. Okay, as shown in the figure here. Okay, so after drawing triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are equal. These two angles are equal. Angle A and angle B are equal. The measures of angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. So first we will draw exterior angle of triangle ABC, that is ACD. As you can see here, this is the exterior angle of triangle ABC, correct. And the measures of angle ACB and angle ACD are given. So what is the measure of angle ACB is given? 3x minus 17, correct. Measure of angle ACB is 3x minus 17 and measure of angle ACD is 8x plus 10 degree. So that we will write here. So this is 3x minus 17 degree and angle ACD, that is 8x plus 10 degree. So we will write down in the figure. Okay, I hope you are clear with the figure. First we will draw triangle ABC. ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Then write the measures. Measure of angle ACB is given, that is 3x minus 17 degree, and measure of angle ACD is given, that is 8x plus 10 degree. Yes, and what we have to find out? We have to find the measures of angle ACB and angle ACD and the measures of angle A and angle B. Correct? Now we will start solving. Okay. So in the solution, first we will write down measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Now we will see in the figure. Measure of angle ACB, see here, this is measure of angle ACB and measure of angle ACD, this angle, is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are angles in a linear pair. So in the bracket you will write down the reason, linear pair angles. Correct? Angles in a linear pair, they always measures 180 degree. So angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to how much? 180 degree. Correct. So in the solution, first we will write down measure of angle ACB, see this angle, plus measure of angle ACD, this angle, is equal to 180 degree. In bracket you will write down the reason, that is linear pair angles or angles in a linear pair. Correct? Now we will put the values. We know the measures of these angles, that is ACB is given and ACD is given in the question. So we will put the values. What is the measure of angle ACB? Yes, measure of angle ACB is given, that is 3x minus 17 degree, that we will write down. Then what is the measure of angle ACD? That is given 8x plus 10. So that also we will write down here. So as you can see here in the next step, 3x minus 17 plus 8x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Understood? First we have written measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle ACD is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair angles or angles in a linear pair. So their measure is equal to 180 degree. Correct? So we will put the values. Measure of angle ACB is 3x minus 17 plus we will write down as it is. And what is the measure of angle ACD? That is 8x plus 10. So you will write down 3x minus 17 plus 8x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree, right? Now next step. Okay, in the next step, as you can see here, 3x minus 17 plus 8x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Yes, now 3x, this plus 8x we will write down with this 3x, and minus 17 will write down with plus 10, correct? So 3x plus 8x and minus 17 plus 10 we will write down together is equal to 180 degree. Understood? 3x plus 8x will write down together, minus 17 plus 10 we will write down together. So the next step is 3x plus 8x minus 17 plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. That right hand side 180 we will write down as it is. Then 3x plus 8x, do the addition. 3 plus 8, correct, 11x minus 17 plus 10, minus plus minus, right? So 17 minus 10 is what? Correct, 7. So we will write down minus 7 here. Okay, why we are written minus 7? See here this step, minus 17 plus 10, minus plus minus. What is the bigger number sign? Yes, what is the bigger number here? 17. What is the sign? That is minus. So here in the answer we will write down minus sign. Minus 17 minus 10 is 7, correct. So the next step is 11x minus 7 is equal to 180 degree. I hope you are clear till here. Yes. What we have started in the solution, first we will write down measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Then measure of angle ACB is given, that is 3x minus 17, and measure of angle ACD is given, that is 8x plus 10. So 3x minus 17 plus 8x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Why they are 180 degree? Because they are angles in a linear pair, and angles in a linear pair measures 180 degree. So 3x minus 17 plus 8x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Now we will write down 3x and 8x together and minus 17 and plus 10 together, correct? So this 8x with this sign it will come here, 3x plus 8x, and minus 17 will write down with plus 10, correct? So see, this is the next step, 3x plus 8x, what is the answer? 11x, correct, and minus 17 plus 10, minus plus minus. So 17 minus 10 is 7, and bigger number sign is minus. So we will write down minus 7 here is equal to 180 degree as it is. Okay, now we will move to the next step. Yes, 11x minus 7 is equal to 180 degree. Now after this, next step we will see this minus 7, it will go here on right hand side, so it becomes, yes, plus 7, correct? 11x we will keep it as it is on left hand side, and this minus 7 it will go on right hand side, so it becomes plus 7. So in the next step, 11x is equal to 180 degree plus 7. So 180 plus 7 is what? 187, correct. So 11x is equal to 187. 180 plus 7, that is 187. Now this 11x is equal to 187, correct. Now x will remain here on left hand side, and this 11 it will go on right hand side, so it becomes divide, that is division. So what is the next step? X is equal to 187 divided by 11. Yes, now we will do the division here, correct. So x is equal to 187 divided by 11. Divide this number by 11. 11 ones are 11, correct. 7 are remaining, 7 and this 7, that is 77. So 11 sevens are 77. Yes, do this division in your rough notebook. 187 divided by 11. The answer is 17, correct. So what is the value of x now? x is equal to 17 degree. Yes, the measure of x is equal to 17 degree. Correct. Now what is the next step? Now we got the measure of x. Now we will put this value in these measures which are given in the question, that is 3x minus 17 degree and 8x plus 10 degree. Correct. We will put the value of x in these measures which are given in the question. So the next step is, yes, as you can see here, this is the next step. Measure of angle ACB. Yes, what is the measure of angle ACB is given? Correct, 3x minus 17 degree. See here, measure of angle ACB is equal to 3x minus 17 degree. Now put the value. What is the value of x here now? We got x as 17 degree. Correct. So 3 multiplied by 17. Yes, in place of x we will write down 17. Just now we got the value of x, that is 17. So we will put it here in this 3x minus 17. So 3 multiplied by x means what? 17. So 3 multiplied by 17 minus 17, this we will write down as it is. So 3 into 17. 17 3s are correct, 51. Minus 17 as it is. Now do the subtraction here. 51 minus 17. Answer is 34 degree, right? So what is the measure of angle ACB now? Measure of angle ACB is equal to 34 degree. Yes, because it is given 3x minus 17 and x is equal to 17, that we will put here. So 3 multiplied by 17 minus 17. So 3 into 17. 3 multiplied by 17 is 17 3s are 51. 51 minus 17, that is 34 degree. Now this ACB is over. Measure of angle ACB we are done. Now we'll start with measure of angle ACD. Correct. And there we will put the value of x. Yes, as you can see here, measure of angle ACD is equal to 8x plus 10 degree, which is given in the question. 8x plus 10 degree. Now in place of x, what we will write down? In place of x we will write down 17. Correct. So 8x means 8 multiplied by 17 plus 10 as it is. 8 multiplied by 17. 17 8s are correct, 136. 17 8s are 136 plus 10. So 136 plus 10 is 146 degree, right? So what is the measure of angle ACD now? Measure of angle ACD is equal to 146 degree. Yes, I hope you are clear till here. Now what we need to find out more? Yes, what is given in the question? We have to find out measure of angle A and measure of angle B. Yes, so the next step is, yes, now measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle ACD. Yes, as you can see here, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle ACD. Why we are written this? Why measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle ACD? Yes, property of the exterior angle of a triangle. Yes, what is the property of the exterior angle of a triangle? The measure of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to, yes, sum of its remote interior angles, right? So this is ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Yes, which are the remote interior angles here? That is angle A and angle B, right? So angle A plus angle B is equal to measure of angle ACD. Yes, now I hope you understood this. Angle A plus angle B is equal to measure of angle ACD. Yes, by the property of the exterior angle of a triangle. The measure of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. So this ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC, and which are the remote interior angles? That is angle A and angle B. So angle ACD is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. Now, as we know the measure of angle ACD, correct? So, we will put this. Now, measure of angle A and measure of angle B, we will consider it as we will consider it as x degree. Yes, as you can see here, consider measure of angle A and measure of angle B be x degree. Yes, these angle and these angle we will consider it as x degree. So, we will put the measures now here. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle ACD. What is the measure of angle A? We have considered it as x. So, we will write down x plus x is equal to, what is the measure of angle ACD? Just now we got measure of angle ACD is equal to 146 degree, right? So, x plus x is equal to 146 degree. Now, do the addition. X plus x, that is 2x is equal to 146 degree. Yes. So, as you can see here, 2x is equal to 146 degree. So, this 2, it will go on right hand side. So, it becomes divide. So, x is equal to 146 divided by 2. Now, do this. 2 ones are 2. 2 sevens are 14 and 2 threes are 6. Correct. So, what is the answer? 73. Right. 146 divided by 2 is 73 degree. So, x is equal to 73 degree. Therefore, so what is the measure of angle A? 73 degree. What is the measure of angle B? 73 degree. And what is the measure of angle ACB we got? That is 34 degree. And measure of angle ACD is 146 degree. I hope you are clear with this sum. Okay, once again we will just quickly revise what we have learned today. That is question number 3 we will revise. So this is question number 3 from practice set 21, which is the last sum from your practice set 21. Okay, so this is the question. First you will draw the figure. Okay, you will read the question. Based on the information which is given in the question, you will draw the figure. So we will draw triangle ABC, isosceles triangle ABC, and angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. So as shown in the figure, you will draw ACD, exterior angle of triangle ABC. Then we will write down the measures which are given, that is ACB is given 3x minus 17 degree and ACD is given, that is 8x plus 10 degree. Correct? After drawing this figure, you will start solving. That is, in the solution you will write down measure of angle ACB plus measure of angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Yes, see these two angles, angle ACB and angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Why we have written 180 degree? Because they are angles in a linear pair. Angle ACB and angle ACD are angles in a linear pair. So, angles in a linear pair measures 180 degrees. So, angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Now, we in the question, measure of angle ACB is given, that is 3x minus 17 degree, and measure of angle ACD is given, that is 8x plus 10 degree. Now, we will put the values as you can see here. 3x minus 17 plus 8x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. On right hand side we will write down 180 degree as it is. So now in the next step, this plus 8x it will go here with 3x and minus 17 will write down with plus 10. Okay, so we'll see the next step. Yes, as you can see here, we'll write down this 3x plus 8x together and minus 17 plus 10 together is equal to 180 degree as it is. So 3x plus 8x, do the addition. 3x plus 8x is 11x minus 17 plus 10 minus plus minus. So do the subtraction. 17 minus 10 is correct 7, and bigger number sign is minus. So in the answer you will write down minus 7 is equal to 180 degree. So as you can see here, in the next step, 11x is equal to 180 degree plus 7. So 180 plus 7 is 187, right? So 11x is equal to 187. So x is equal to this 11, it will go on right hand side. So it becomes division, that is divide. So x is equal to 187 divided by 11. Now do the division. So x is equal to 187 divided by 11. So do the division. 187 divided by 11 is 17. Now we got the measure of x, that is 17 degree. Now we will put this 17 in 3x minus 17 and 8x plus 10. Correct? Measure of angle ACB is given 3x minus 17 and measure of angle ACD is 8x plus 10. So we will put this here. Measure of angle ACB is equal to 3x minus 17. X is equal to 17. So 3 multiplied by 17 minus 17. 3 multiplied by 17 is 51. 51 minus 17, that is 34 degrees. So what is the measure of ACB? 34 degree. Now we will find out measure of angle ACD. Yes, what is the measure of angle ACD? 8x plus 10 degree. Yes, and x we got as 17 degrees. So 8 multiplied by 17 plus 10. 8 multiplied by 17 is 17 8s are 136. So 136 plus 10, that is 146 degree. Right? So we got measure of angle ACD as 146 degree. Now we have to find out measure of angle A and measure of angle B. So in the next step you will write down measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle ACD, right? Why? Because by the property of exterior angle of a triangle. What is the property? The measure of exterior angle of a triangle means angle ACD is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. So which are the remote interior angles here? That is angle A and angle B. So from this property we will write down this measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle ACD. So now angle A and angle B we will consider it as x. So consider measure of angle A and measure of angle B be x degree. Now x plus x is equal to 146 degree. From this formula we will put the values here in this formula, that is angle A plus angle B is equal to 146 degree. So x plus x is equal to 146 degree. X plus x is 2x. So 2x is equal to 146. As you can see here, 2x is equal to 146 degrees. So x is equal to 146 divided by 2, right? So 2 we will divide this 146 by 2, that is 73 degree. Yes, so what is the measure of angle A? Measure of angle A is equal to 73 degree. Measure of angle B is equal to 73 degree. Measure of angle ACD is equal to 34 degree. And measure of angle ACD is equal to 146 degree. I hope you are clear with this answer. So today we have completed lesson number 4. Okay, we have completed practice set 21, which is the last practice set from your lesson number 4. So we have completed lesson number 4 today. That's all for today. In the next session we will start with the next lesson. Thank you so much.